I grabbed ubi Coca-Cola because nothing really her tummy yet. No food. Then
Bakit?
she will like that the Coca-Cola. That's no good. I
No.
want some. Can you hear this? The rice is
Ito yung black punggos.
ano yan? Yung kain nga ng daga.
Ay nga ng daga. Black punggos.
I want some. Come on, darling. Let's see. I know you haven't yet. Please, there's
Kaputi.
Okay, my love. Guwapa ako dahil dihaan na yung kape ng camera, guys.
Guwapa dyan sa camera na ko.
It's live. Gandot. You mentioned to me before in my life that you want to tour in Hong Kong. Yeah? Before a year ago.
Ina, Chris! Naunsa gabantay ka man diha?
Okay, alam ni mo ano yung dito sa mukha. Wala kang po na sa nilungag.
Wala ka daw sinaing kasi masungsong.
Wala po na naglungag. Sige lang nagdatan.
Ano yung order ko?
Dahil, gipanagat pa dahil. Ang sada ka ng order.
Sura po magkaon. Ano yung wala tinisyo diri?
Gloves, manghingi ka. What are you eating? Squid shrimp with lotus root.
Ayan na yung ilok ko.
Thank you. Pork ribs with sweet and sour.
Ito.
Pork ribs
Para
with
sa
sweet.
paborito kong apo.
Happy Mother's Day.
Sana all Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day, everyone. If you are not a mother, yes. Mag-hi ka ba kay Mato ning i-premiere ba? Wala na di ako i-premiere.
Happy Mother's Day.
Di ba plastic? Yeah, here we
Ang sarap.
rice. Then pork ribs with sour with the kind of pepper and pineapple and onion. Okay, sweet and sour. Then with some appetite.
Kain ko yung
mouse-
Dolly!
Nag-reconnecting
Kain
pa
tayo?
ako.
Dito si Kajut ang Kuya Dolly.
Mouse ears. And then with spicy squid and shrimp. Pistikaw niya na. Nagkuan pa ko diri ba? With squid, shrimp, and with chili, lotus root, and sa kaningalan ani
Ay, ambot. Si Bang, Sauti. Ayaw niya Kuya Dolly.
Bean sprout.
Ayaw niya
Bean sprout. Unya na. Animal.
Animal ka daw Kuya Dolly.
Yeah, with squid.
Kuya Dolly, animal ka daw. Kung gusto, kaya nga ng daga.
Yeah, that's our food. Yeah, spicy.
Ang anghang.
Then with this ubi na walang didi.
Lang didi daw, guys. Food vlogger na si Rhea.
Yes, I love. Then I have a mango juice. Then Obi had Coca-Cola.
Ang bebe?
That's it. Wait lang, mag-hi sa ako ni Kuya Dolly. Hi Kuya Dolly, shout out. Ganyan dapat. Kuya Dolly.